This week, something quietly powerful happened at the future home of FC Barcelona, and most people didn't even notice. Massive structural components arrived on site, setting the stage for one of the most important phases of the entire project. At the evolving Spotify Camp Nou, the biggest changes don't always make the loudest noise. This week brings major compression ring deliveries, visible facade expansion, and striking glass installations that are beginning to redefine the stadium's identity. In today's video, we'll uncover the key details many overlooked: the heavy steel, the precise placements, and the milestones pointing toward the next major construction phase. Let's break it down step by step. One of the clearest signs of progress remains the south goal facade. The vertical slats are no longer renders. They're becoming reality. Two major sectors are nearly complete. In the lower frontal areas, a crane continues installing slats where gaps remain. Each slat is aligned and secured carefully, while finishing works continue behind them, ceilings and surface detailing included. The facade is no longer an idea. It's becoming a modern architectural identity for the stadium. The south goal shows steady structural momentum. Missing diagonal beams are now installed or ready for lifting. These supports strengthen the outer frame and stabilize the upper cantilever sections. Protective anti-corrosion paint is being applied to exposed steel, preparing it for long-term durability. Previously missing brackets are now completed, pushing this zone closer to structural completion. On the lateral side, progress appears calm but remains important. Two large pillars are now positioned, likely for the compression ring system. Material areas are organized, and scaffolding between radial beams signals preparation for new connection points. Work inside elevator cores continues, with concrete panels staged nearby. A major visual milestone arrived this week. The diamond-shaped corners in the Tribuna section now have their corner glass panels installed. These panels close the edges and immediately refine the stadium's appearance. Suction lifting systems handled the precise installation. Some entrance glass is still pending, but enclosure work is clearly advancing. The most significant movement this week came at the north goal. 5 compression ring elements were delivered. Massive steel components for roof stabilization. They form part of the circular system that will anchor future roof tension cables. Additional pipe elements were seen nearby, and waterproofing continues in internal sections. Areas previously opened are now being prepared for new concrete pours. While slightly behind visually, the north goal is preparing for a major structural phase. Inside the Tribuna, progress remains steady. Concrete panels are staged, ready for installation. Welding continues within elevator cores, with visible sparks marking active steelwork. Scaffolding around upper pillars suggests final concrete closures are nearing completion. Internally, careful preparation continues. In one active corner, a 4th level of tubular elements has been added. Previously, only 3 were visible. These tubes form part of the outer framework that will connect to facade and roof systems. Wind conditions were strong at times, pausing tower cranes for safety. Despite this, work continued at ground and mid-level zones across all sectors: south goal, lateral stands, Tribuna, and north goal, each moving forward step by step. If you follow this project closely, you know the quiet weeks matter most. To keep tracking the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou step by step, subscribe to channel. Like the video if you enjoy these breakdowns, and tell us in the comments, which area of the stadium is progressing the fastest right now?